Lesson 3. Verbs, tenses, and thematic vocabulary. Let us conclude our review with verbs, tenses, and thematic vocabulary. The present indicative is the first required tense in the syllabus. For the verb être, the first person singular is je suis, while for avoir, I have is j'ai, such as j'ai un chien. The syllabus features high-frequency verb forms, including regular er verbs in the present tense. For example, the third-person plural present of manger is il mange. Another high-frequency verb is aller. The present tense with nous is nous allons. Aller is extremely versatile because it is used to form the future proche, or near future, by combining aller with an infinitive, like je vais partir, for immediate plans. This contrasts with the futur simple, which uses the infinitive stem plus endings, like je partirai. For past actions, the syllabus requires the passé composé and the imparfait. The passé composé for aller uses être plus a past participle, such as nous sommes allés. The imparfait is used for habitual past actions, such as the form je lisais. Moving to thematic vocabulary, expressing likes and dislikes is a key spoken production criterion, such as using the verb aimer with a definite article to say j'aime le football. Additionally, identifying opinions and preferences is a reading criterion, which might feature the verb préférer followed by an infinitive. Time and calendar vocabulary is also essential. Remember that mercredi is Wednesday and juillet is July. Finally, standard weather expressions fall under the calendar theme, such as il fait beau to describe that the weather is nice.